guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about shipping essentials. If you are a small business owner or if you are just getting into shipping and need a few more tips on how to get organized and how other small business owners do it, definitely stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to need, of course, is a printer. Now, I started off using a normal, I think it was like the HP printers, and I found that it was very expensive in the long run because I had to keep buying ink, keep buying paper. A lot of the times the printer would get jammed, so I'm wasting even more paper and even more ink. And I always found that I'd be like in this position where my ink would run out at the most peak time that I actually need to print out my labels, and that is just a big stress that is just unnecessary. So I did actually upgrade and invest in a label printer. So I use the Dymo Label Writer 4XL, and as you can see, it's really small and compact, very easy to use. It prints out the labels really quickly, and it actually uses heat to put the ink, well, it's not really ink, it's just like heated laser. I don't know how it works, but it isn't ink that you need to kind of buy and refill all the time. You just buy the labels. That's the only thing you need to buy continually after you've bought the printer. So I really recommend label printers. The Dymo, however, isn't wireless, so you can't just take it anywhere with you and connect to your phone or your computer via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, which is a bit of a disadvantage. And I know there are others on the market that now do have that kind of like wireless option, but I've had no problems with the Dymo so far. When I do feel like I need to upgrade to something that is more like compact or wireless, I will do, but for now I'm good with my Dymo. So Dymo is the first thing that I would say is a shipping essential. Next, of course, is the labels for your shipping. They come like this. It usually comes in a roll, so it will come all rolled up together, and then you unroll it and it will go like this when you print out your orders. There's no way that you can tell that this isn't just normal ink. It comes out really clear. So the only disadvantage to this is that you can only print black. A lot of people actually get pink coloured actual labels and print on top of the pink just to make it a bit more popping and cute, but unfortunately you can just only print black on the labels. So once you have your printer and your labels, you're going to want to get yourself one of these, and this is a scale to actually weigh every single parcel that you have. I used to weigh each individual package one by one in the beginning of my journey, but now I have a very like rough understanding of what each package is going to weigh, so I don't have to use it as much. This was just from Amazon. You simply just turn it on and then put the package on top, and it will show you how much it weighs in grams. So that's really handy just to have on the side. I put it here, and my actual desk is from IKEA, and it's really handy for shipping. As you can see, like my label printer is tucked under here. I have my scales here, just a bit of decor, but it is actually a good storage for you to put any kind of essentials you need for your shipping. So if you're looking for like a shipping station, this desk from IKEA I will leave in the description box down below because it's very, very handy. Next are your essential tools, of course, your scissors and your tape. You may want to use water activated paper tape, which is very sustainable and good for the environment, and something that a lot of businesses are investing in, which is something we will also be investing in also soon. Tape have a big bunch. Amazon do like bulk tape packages, so you can buy like 6 or 8 of these in one go, which is very handy because you'll think that this is going to last you a long time, and then you notice that you're like out of tape, and then you have to like run to the shop or something and pay even more than you would have if you bought it on Amazon. Next is a little like tip, because obviously I've been through shipping in different places, I've been through how to store my stuff, and I found that this is a really great way to store your receipts from the post office. This is just a little zip bag that I bought from, I want to say Wilko's, but most kind of like WH Smith, Wilko's, little shops like that, the pound shop, have things like this, and this is just like a zip. It's pretty much a pencil case, but I put all of my receipts in here so they're easy to access, it's clear, and then I just put this in the drawer. So under the desk there is actually a drawer that comes out, and I just place this in there, nice and organized and compact. So if you ever need to like get your receipts and look for anything like proof that you need to share with Royal Mail or your customer, you can just go ahead and go into there. However, if you use the drop and go service, you don't actually need to get paper receipts, which is a really good alternative. Now, of course, is your polybags or your boxes. These are actually from No Issue. This isn't sponsored, so I won't speak too much about them, but yeah, any kind of mailer bags that you can grab from Amazon, eBay. If you want to invest more and get customized packaging, you can go to Alibaba too. So we use our boxes, which are from Kite Packaging. I will leave the link for them down below too. I've always used Kite Packaging for the past 3 to 4 years now. Found them really handy. They do quick delivery, and it is probably one of the cheapest options I've found here in the UK with smaller quantities. So we buy about 50 at a time. Next we have our peanuts, and these are just to secure items within your boxes. You don't have to have peanuts, it depends on what kind of items you're shipping. But if you are shipping like skincare or something that's in like a glass bottle, or you're shipping a lot of items within one box, I'd recommend getting some kind of like peanuts or even bubble wrap just to keep everything safe and secure. Now I'm going to put some pictures in here of how I actually organized my office when I had my office in the past. I used a lot of storage options and cute little things from IKEA just to organize my shipping station and organize my stock. So I used clear boxes from IKEA to put all of my stock in. I also had a unit from IKEA where I put all of my shipping supplies like the sellotapes, the scissors, the polybags in, and kept them separate from obviously my stock. So I would pick up my stock, put it in to the polybag or to the box, and I'd have enough space to do that, and I'd have my peanuts separately in a box also. So if you have the space, you definitely want to separate everything and have it in its own little space. It just makes the shipping process so much easier. And if you can pre-box or pre-bag your polybags with the thank you slip, you are going to be good when it comes to shipping, because all you need to do is grab what you need, put it in the box, sellotape it up, and it's ready to go and post. So I also want to mention for my people that are sending a lot of bulk orders like overseas, or you are sending items for wholesale and to retailers overseas, on Amazon you can actually get these envelopes that are clear that you can put your customs forms into and keep it secure. Because a lot of suppliers actually require you to have your shipping and customs forms on the actual box and easy for them to access and read. So you definitely want to buy a bulk order of those from Amazon. That's where we got ours from. So I'll leave the link to those and everything else in this video down below. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel for more, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.